Now I would like to invite Abdullah from class 5 to present a speech, Importance of Education.
In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. I am Abdullah from class 5. Today's topic of my speech is education. Education is one of the best things of life and one of the necessities. Dear sisters and brothers, dear fellow children, we must work, not wait. Not just the politicians and the one leaders. We all need to contribute. Me, you, we. It is our duty. We realize the importance of light when we see darkness. We realize the importance of our voice when we are silenced. In the same way, we realize the importance of pens and books when we saw the guns. Why is it that countries which we call strong are so powerful in creating wars but are so weak in bringing peace? Why is it that giving guns is so easy but giving books is so hard? Why is it that making tents is so easy but building schools is so hard? One child, one teacher, one book and one pen can change the world. Education is the only solution. Education is first.